It's Penny and the professor. Here's Penny.
Hi everybody. I think after hearing all of your I see and I hear sentences, I think we're ready to get to that focus question task. Now remember, a focus question task is an assessment. So your parents and your learning coaches cannot give you the answers. They can't help you. They can't give you all of the answers or give you all of the clues. So you have to know what you're doing as much as possible to try to do it by yourself. And so I'm going to be giving you step-by-step directions in this video so that you know what to do for your focus question task. The step-by-step directions in our class will also be listed on our Canvas page, so your parents can go over those with you if you get stuck or the video doesn't work or something happens. Okay, so here we go. So Fluffy has our question, right? Which is, how do my senses help me learn in Chicka Chicka Boom Boom? What are we doing with that, right? So we've got our focus question, which is the reason we have our focus question task. How do our senses help us learn from Chicka Chicka Boom Boom? And then Crafty has another question, because when we do a focus question task, we always label or do some writing. And so Crafty, come on up here, girl. Crafty sure is loud for a little caterpillar, right? All the other animals just whisper quietly in my ear. Crafty's always like, you're so cute. All right, so Crafty wants to know, how do I label with letters in my focus question task? Crafty, I promise we're gonna get to that, but first let's get out the right paper, right? So everybody's going to need this paper. I have it, Fluffy had it for me. I put it up on the board for you so you can see it. Bring it up close to the camera right here. There it is. Okay, and the first thing you're gonna wanna do, step number 1, is get out this paper, right? You're gonna need to get this out. So go ahead and get it out, or pause the video and get it out. And then the second thing you'll need to do, of course, is put your name on your paper. So you've got your paper out, and then up here where it says name, you need to write your name right here. This is where you write your name. So if it were my paper, I'd write Miss Marty, but this is just a blank paper to show you guys what to do. Then the second thing that you're going to do is you're going to need to choose one of these senses at the bottom. So you're going to choose either hearing or seeing. So you're not going to use both of them. So whichever one you pick, go ahead and cut that out. If you pick seeing, cut that out. If you pick hearing, cut that out. The other piece that you're not using, you can just throw it away, you can exit out, whatever. Pick one. Once you've picked one of these, you're also going to need the word I right here. So you're going to cut out the word I, you're going to cut out either hear or see, and you're going to glue them into this sentence organizer right here. So you're going to glue I, and then either hear or see, and the other one you're going to get rid of. And then right here it says evidence. Okay, what is it that you see or hear in the book that you want to talk about? So remember, we used our evidence organizer last time. You can use that. You can think about the sticky notes you made earlier of what you see and hear in the book. And you're going to draw just a tiny little picture right here. That's why we practiced drawing on sticky notes, because that will get you down to a little bit smaller. So right here, you're going to draw a nice little picture of whatever you see or whatever you hear in Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. So choose one, draw what you see or hear right here. Just a cute little picture, a little sketch, okay? Then, after you've got all that done, so you've got your sentence down at the bottom, then you're going to use the large box to elaborate on your textual evidence and add more detail and label it with letters. So up here, you're going to elaborate and make your drawing even more detailed. So for example, if I picked, let's say I was doing a tree, well, make it better up here. What else was in the book? What else was in the picture? Was it just a tree standing there by itself? Or was it just the letter A? Or what was happening? So draw more, give us more detail, and use your labels and write some words around there or letters and sound out what you know to show what your thinking is on how you use your senses to learn from Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. So that is your focus question task for today. We're gonna need that turned in with a really nice clear picture for me. So make sure that when your parents take your picture and turn it in, that I can really tell all of your stuff, because I need to print those off and keep them in our assessment binder. So good luck with your focus question task. If you need to rewind the video and watch for some more steps again to figure it out, that's fine. And just do your best, and I will see you guys soon. We'll have another one after this, our vocabulary assessment, but that one's easy peasy. So we'll see you guys soon. Have an amazing day. Bye for now.